Hello my friend, this is the computer of this machine. I will teach you how to use this machine, and here have three language for you choose. Chinese, English, and Indonesia language. We will use English for example. When the material go to the cutter position, we need to open the oil pump first. Here is control the oil pump. This is for oil pump on and this is for oil pump stop. We will open it. Now the oil pump is working. We'll cut a little material and here is a zero position. We go to the manual operate, press cut down. Now the material cut a little. This is for manual work press, cutter down and cut it up. Then here is a zero position, when I go to set the order. Here set the length and here set the quantity. We set the length is 200 mm one piece. Free order, free numbers. Then we go to the production screen. Here we need clear the length and clear the quantity. Press auto, machine will start work. Clear the length and clear the quantity. Now quantity is all 00. Then we press start. The machine will automatic work. When the order is finished, finish 3 pieces, it will stop work. And if you want more orders, you just need. Here set more quantity. Tianjin Iron Star Industry Limited Company.